Hi there, today we're exploring the Rainbird 5000 Rotor, designed for reliable watering with superior distribution uniformity to keep your lawn consistently green. Its wind-resistant design creates larger water droplets that reduce misting and evaporation, saving water and money. The Rotor provides close-in watering with gentle spray to eliminate dry spots and promote healthy plant growth. Maintenance is simple thanks to the self-cleaning arc adjustment screw and heavy-duty cover assembly for long-lasting performance. You can easily customize watering with versatile arc rotation from 40 to 360 degrees, including reversing full circle rotation. This makes it perfect for a variety of landscape needs and ensures even watering coverage. Upgrade your irrigation system with the Rainbird 5000 Rotor for efficient and effective lawn care. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.